Okay, so here's what you are going to do. You'll get the Pulse app. It's called Bright Space Pulse, D2L Pulse, something like that. It's this one right here, this orange one. So I'll click on that and you're gonna go to your course. Then you'll click on where the assignment is. So this is a week 2, Wednesday, and I'm gonna open up the assignment. And it'll take me to the instructions, and then I'm gonna click on, because I read them, and then I click on the discussion page itself, which is going to take me to the discussion. Now it's a little squishy, but that's okay because you can read the instructions on your computer, of course. Here, I'm going to start a new thread. You won't have to select a group because you only have your group visible. And then you'll make a reasonable name. And here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna click in the box and then we're gonna go insert stuff. Now it's probably, maybe if you turn your phone on the side, you'll be able to see the whole menu, but you'll see here that there's a plus sign. That means more menu. Well, no, the dots mean more or less, but the plus is an expandable menu. You can see it has the caret down. So we're going to insert stuff just like we did before. Now we're going to add video note. We will need to allow access to the microphone and camera. You can do it from upload file. That would be where you find a file on your phone from your pictures or your video, or you can actually choose to record it using your phone camera on there. So there's your take photo or video or the photo library. But I think that there's some restrictions on kind of like how big the file can be, and it takes a while to get it up there because it is a file instead of recording it directly into the program, which is on the cloud. So instead you want to use this record webcam, and then basically you stop the recording once you're done, and then you would put next, and then you can give it a title. And then we will, again, push next there. This will put the note in here, but of course it's being processed at the moment. So we'll just click insert. Same thing that you did before, where you'll see the note being processed. And so in order to get it big, you'll notice I clicked in this top right. It's like the 4 arrows pointing out. That's gonna allow you to see the whole post there. Then you'll just click the post button and it will post to your group. And then we should be able to see it in here. So right now it's still processing, but you can see I just did a test post here. I did 2 of them, one from my phone recording and one from recording within the system. Anyway, they're relatively similar-ish, but I think it was much faster processing with recording in the system, which is what I just showed you. There we go. And so there's our little video. It'll take a little bit longer to process because yours is not going to be like 2 seconds, but that seems to work. You won't have any editing capability. Of course, you don't have the ability to pause. You can't replace the background. So those are the kinds of things I like about the Clipchamp, because it allows people to, modify it how they need to. But this is a pretty fast and easy way of doing this.